It's the night before Australia. I am a mess as per usual, and I've had literally all day, but I've been saying goodbye to like friends and family and stuff, so stupid, but it's literally 10 p.m. and I haven't packed. I had 4 hours of sleep last night. I woke up this morning and I was sick. I think I've just been quite anxious just because I am going to the other side of the world on my own. So yeah, I got some little Australian dollars. I'm gonna have a quick shower because I think I've got tonsillitis coming on, which is a nightmare, but it's because I've literally been having 4 hours sleep for the past couple of days, just because my emotions have been all over the place. It's just been a bit weird because I'm going to treat it obviously as a holiday. It's just quite a long holiday, and saying goodbye to everybody, it's just been so emotionally draining. As much as I've loved it, I've saw loads of family, loads of friends, but it's just been so draining, and I feel like my social battery's just so dead. It's gone. My literal saviour, my friend, is coming over just on Snapchat, and I was like, I haven't even packed. I think I've got tonsillitis coming on, and I'm leaving tomorrow, and it's 10 p.m. And she was like, do you want me to come and help you pack? And I was like, please come and help me pack. So my friend George is coming over to help me pack. Bless her soul. Like, honestly, what did I do to deserve this? We're gonna quickly get my stuff packed. I've just been too anxious to even talk about it. Anytime someone mentions it, I'm just like, oh, don't talk about it, because it's making me nervous. I know it'll be so fun when I get there, and obviously it's something I've wanted to do for ages, but it's just a lot right now. Got my visa, say, this time, so last March. I felt very just sick of everything, and I was like, this is so shit, I need to get out of here. And then everything started kind of falling into place, and then I had to leave to kind of go to Australia. So it is definitely a weird, I have got really mixed emotions about it, because I just feel like I'm not ready, but you're always going to feel that way. Yeah, we'll see. We need to pack. Just had a shower, got hoodie on, some stuff ready in the living room. I've got all my packing cubes ready, and we're just kind of going to try and go from there.
Your clothes.
Clothes is the main thing, isn't it?
Take ages. Concealer, mascara, contour, highlight.
Yeah, okay.
How long's your flight? Like, are you doing it like
22-hour flight?
Have you got to stop over like at night, like where you want to brush your teeth or something?
Yeah, so I take the toothbrush in the bag. Yeah. Kuala Lumpur, I'm stopping over at. Malaysia.
Anywhere.
I really need this.
I'm not taking that off my person and giving it you now.
I just love it because it is matches, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Proper like sweat.
Apparently clothes in Australia are really cheap, but food and drink is actually.
Oh, I know. That's why I'll only be eating 1 meal a day. This one.
Yeah, that one is gorgeous. Shoes are done.
A bodysuit? No.
What type of bodysuit?
Like a black. How the hell am I going to fit all of this in my bag? That's the question.
I think you might have more room in some of these than you think.
You know what? Do you know what scares me as well? Is like, imagine if your backpack gets lost. Do you know what I could have done with? An Apple AirTag?
God forbid. I was thinking, what times will I be able to speak to Zoe? So basically, we can speak to each other in like each of our evenings. So
yeah,
like,
because
your evening is my morning, and my evening is your morning.
And I'm only 8 hours ahead in Perth. So when it's like midday, it would be 8 p.m. where I am. All shorts, skirts, trousers in there, and all tops in there.
Should microwave me yours.
I've got everything in that bag, and I mean everything. Like,
yeah, you don't need.
I got hot chocolate in there, coffee.
Take a little travel soap and a little travel thing like that, and a little everything tiny.
I've got massive bottles of shampoo, and now I'm freaking out because not everything fits in my bag. I can't. My books, my 6 books.
And I'll send you the rest wherever you are. If you're going to be somewhere for a couple of weeks or you've settled somewhere, I'll send them to you.
And what about my jeans? How am I going to fit my jeans in my bag? And
I'll send them as well.
I've got 7 books that I want to take, but I don't think I'm going to be able to fit them in my bag.
There's one in there.
Alright, the rest I'm going to just buy a thing at the airport and just pretend that I bought them at the airport or something. Because I can't not take them, because I need them to read when I'm on the beach.
You'll be the only backpacker.
Right, that's fine. We'll buy something at duty free.
Olive oil. Have you got the olive oil?
Olive oil. I've got everything in this kitchen sink in this bloody thing.
Use the left lane to continue onto Stratford Road towards passenger drop-off. Continue continue straight on, then bear left onto Stratford Road.
I've had to leave my bag in the car. My book in the car.
I didn't see that.
Hey, I thought I was supposed to get used to carrying that. It's gonna break my back.
Come on.
Alright, let's go. Oh,
Sit down somewhere.
Dad's trying to make me sit down to open my bag so I can give him all of the stuff I've overpacked. But I'm not doing it because I need everything in that bag.
Okay.
I need it.
Okay.
He said when he puts on the bag, it dislocates his shoulder. So that's not going to be any good for me, is it?
What we can do, check your bag in and then have
Check your bag in, then we'll have a coffee.
And then we'll have coffee.
Yeah. I'm finally at the airport. It was only like a 2-hour drive up here, so it was pretty fine, to be fair. But I just think my experience of like packing your life in a bag was nothing compared to my brother's. Like when my brother did it, he was so chill, and I don't know, he just seemed so chill about it. Like the night before he went to Australia, we were just chilling in the kitchen and he was like, yeah, I'm excited, and that was it. Like no big deal. I was packing, I packed the night before, but I mean at like midnight, and then I was packing up until like 2 PM today, like getting all of my bits together. Oh, I was so stressed out. I would not recommend that experience to anyone. Or if you're going to do it, just try and be a little bit more organised than I was, because I was so nervous to pack because I was worried I wasn't going to get it in the bag that I decided to not do it at all. The whole week has just been so like emotional. I've just been saying bye to everyone and it's just been hard. But apart from that, and I've had like 3 hours sleep yesterday and the night before. I'm excited now actually. I don't feel bad at all. I feel great. I just don't want to say goodbye to my dad. I don't want to say goodbye to my dad.
When you go up there, she's just about to go through the gate. Well, where's it gone? Hold on.
AQ101 to Nairobi would like to begin boarding this aircraft with our business team members only to come forward for boarding on the hand side of gate number 7. Our convenience, the delay of your aircraft today.
And then I was literally going through security, crying. And the guy on security was like, are you alright? And I was like, yeah. And I'm just like, he probably thinks I'm being kidnapped against my will. Just a bit emotional. I was like, come on, Tony, stop crying. I just had a 12-hour flight. It wasn't too bad. I only slept for like 4 hours because I can't sleep. I just can't sleep sitting up, and I couldn't find how to put my chair backwards. I was watching a bit of Blue Planet. Like, it was okay. It wasn't a bad flight. I just feel absolutely shattered now. So that was like a 12/13 hour flight, and there was this guy on the flight who was in our row, and he was like, yeah, I've got a 20-hour flight to Auckland now. And I was like, oh my gosh. And then it made me feel a bit better, to be fair, because I've only got a 7-hour flight now to Perth. And then I can sleep when I get there. So I'm gonna try and sleep on this next plane because I am actually knackered, but I just brushed my teeth. I'm finally here. I still do need to do my nails because they are looking terrible. Yeah, the flight, do you know what? I couldn't recommend Malaysian Airlines enough. It was nice food, it was easy flight, and it just went quite fast. I slept on the second one because I wanted to try and get into like their routine, but to be fair, it's about 3 AM at home and it's about 10 AM right now. So I do feel tired, like I should be sleeping, but I was like, just get up because you're gonna have to get used to the time difference somehow. So I just forced myself to get up, had a shower. Today I'm gonna like get everything sorted. There's a lot to sort out. There's like Medicare. I'm gonna go into the town today to see if I can go get my tax file number so I can work and stuff like that. And there's a lot of stuff that needs to be done, and I was just thinking, if I want to like get hold of anyone back home, they will not be awake until 5 PM here. So if I want to say talk to my dad or something, he'll be asleep right now, and then at 5 PM he'll be getting up for work. As soon as I got here, I walked out of the airport, I had a sweater on. It's 25 degrees. 25 degrees at 4 AM. Sorry, 2 AM, it was 25 degrees, and it doesn't go below 20 because obviously it's February, it's summer. It's 36 degrees outside right now. 36 degrees. It's like the type of weather where you can't walk anywhere, you know, you just need to kind of chill. I actually cannot believe that I travelled to the other side of the world on my own. I just find that crazy. Like I am really, really proud of myself, to be honest. Perth is the furthest habitable place away from where I live in the UK. So the best thing I've ever done, because it's beautiful here. Like I haven't actually been out yet. I'm gonna go out today, but oh, it's just lush. It's just lush. I'm gonna cross the road. So it is the next day. So jet lagged last night that I just went to bed. This morning, woke up, went to Centrelink, got my Medicare. So that is done. I'm just waiting for that to be granted. I'm so happy because it is quite daunting, but you just have to get the stuff done. So now I'm just walking around Perth. I'm gonna go to Woolworths. I'm gonna go here. The sun is burning me, I swear. It's like 34 degrees right now and it's 10 AM. Went to I think it's called Auto Planet, because I wanted to just see how much cars were and stuff like that, but they are really expensive because they have to import the cars in, and because of COVID they weren't importing cars in, so cars are really expensive to buy at the minute. If I want to be traveling up the coast, I do need a reliable car. I'm just gonna have to like keep my eye out. There's these two Australians cleaning cars and I was lost, and I went in and I was like, hi, like, can you help me? I'm inquiring about a car. And their Australian accent is just unreal. It's unreal. I am loving my time here, even though it's only like my second day. Okay, so it's 11, it's nearly 12, it's nearly midday, but at home it is about 4 AM. I've had a really productive morning. I've got a lot of stuff done that I needed to do, like opening bank accounts and stuff like that. But the jet lag, oh, the jet lag is hitting, and I'm starting to feel quite sick because I'm just so overtired, so I think I might have a nap. Just got up. It is such a nice day. I think okay, so it's 8:30, so it's 8:30 in the morning and it is 22 degrees. It's supposed to get to 30 today. And the UV, I've got used to like looking at the UV exposure, because the UV index at 10 AM to 7 PM is 12 today. So definitely need sun cream. That's like extremely high. Wow. Honestly, I just love waking up and it being sunny. Like the weather really like changes your mood, you know. And from going from winter to this is just the best thing in the world. I just love it. See if it's warm. Okay, is it warm? It's not actually too bad. Oh my gosh. It's not even that bad. But the waves are huge. I want to stay here forever. So I broke my camera. The sea came in and a wave hit it. And it won't turn on or anything. So they said you've got to put it in water for 5 seconds and then dry it out in rice. So I've got the rice and I've got the bag. Let's just hope this works, because that camera was worth like 400 quid second hand. It's like a £700 camera. It's pretty damaged, it's got sand all in.